Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I process Bambara nuts to powder, also known as Okpa powder. So guys, keep watching and let's get started. So here I have my Okpa seed. This is how it looks like. The seeds are hard. And it is also believed that it is only the industrial grinders that can easily grind this seed into powder. But today I am here to tell you that you can do that once you have a good and quality blender, at least from 1200 watts and above. Next, I added it into the train pan and started taking out the bad ones out. Once I'm done, I now transferred it into the blender and start to blend until it is smooth. If this is your first time of stopping by, a warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment to be notified when I upload a new video. To my returning subscribers, a very big thank you. Here, I'm done with the blending process. So look at how it looks like. Next, I went ahead and placed my sieve in a clean bowl. Then added in my Bambara powder or Okpa powder in and start sieving it. So I will repeat this process until I'm done with the rest of the Okpa powder. This is how the chaff looks like after sieving. Here we have the powder. We still have to sieve it for the second time to get a smoother result. As you can see here, the first siever did not give me exactly what I needed. So I have to get another siever with the tiniest holes. So I recommend this because it makes it more easier and faster. Then I transfer the Okpa powder into the second siever and start to sieve. Yeah, as you can see, this is exactly what I wanted. Once I'm done with the sieving, I will set it aside. Here is the chaff. As you can see, there is still Okpa powder in it. So I have to reblend it to get the remaining Okpa powder out from it. Next, here I'm done with reblending of the chaff. And this is what I got. So now I will be repeating the same process of sieving out the Okpa powder. Here, I'm done sieving it out. I'm going ahead to mix them together. I mean the first one that I set aside. I will mix everything together. This is the final chaff I got from processing this Okpa powder. And we are done. And it is ready. Guys, this came out very excellent, very smooth, and very super good. Now I went ahead to transfer the Okpa powder into my freeze bag and store in the refrigerator or in whichever way you want it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to follow this page, like, share and comment. See you soon on my next video and remain blessed. Bye.